So my biggest competitor is going to be the Capital Grille. Some of their strengths are that they have a lot to pick from on their menu, and they are very caring of their customers. It is very nice on the inside of this restaurant as well. The location of this restaurant is in a very good place. It's easy right on the street for people to see, and this is going to be a good place to take people for business lunches or dinners. Some of their weaknesses is everything's going to be really expensive on their menu. You seem to have to ask a lot of questions about their menu when ordering because it's not very detailed. It's very dark on the inside and very hard for people to see. And when it comes to parking, you don't have many places to pick from, and a lot of times you just have to valet. For my restaurant, I'm going to have very open light, very bright on the inside so people can see. For the parking, I'm going to offer parking for my customers to get their parking tickets validated so they won't have to pay for parking when they leave. And another thing is everything on my menu is not going to be as high priced. I'm going to have prices all over the board, so it's not going to be an expensive meal every time you come in.